In this video, I'll give a quick review from the chapter of quadratic function on the topic of completing the square. Okay, let's take a look at the question. Here you are to express this quadratic equation in this form. So in order to express this quadratic equation into this form, you will need to complete the square. To complete the square, first you need to check that the coefficient of x squared needs to become 1. So we have to factorize out -2 so that the coefficient of x squared becomes 1. This is because you can only complete the square when coefficient of x squared is 1. After doing that, you will need to add this 5 to be divided by 2 whole thing square. So you need to plus 5 over 2 square. But if you plus 5 over 2 square, you need to minus away this 5 over 2 square again, so that these two terms cancel off and it will be the same, identical to the previous expression. Okay, why you do that is because when you plus 5 over 2 square, these three terms can be factorized into this. It's because of the identity a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equals to a minus b whole thing square. This is actually your a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and this whole thing can be factorized into this expression. What you need to do next is just to simplify this. So if you simplify these two terms, you'll get negative 19 over 4. All you need to do now is to open up the square bracket by distributing -2, multiply in, multiply in. So -2 times this, you will get -2 x minus 5 over 2 square. -2 times this, you will get plus 19 over 2. So this is in this form, where a is -2, h is -5 over 2, k is 19 over 2. So what is the significance of doing this? It's because you can actually get the coordinates of the turning point straight away in this form. Okay, so this quadratic equation, because of the -2 here for the coefficient of x squared, is what we call a frowning quadratic curve. So the turning point here is actually a maximum point, and you can get the maximum point coordinates straight away from here, where the maximum y value is 19 over 2, positive 19 over 2. And this happens when x is 5 over 2. Okay, because x, when it's 5 over 2, this whole thing will become 0. It will give you your maximum y value. Any other x value when you substitute in will give you a negative value taken away from 19 over 2. So this is the significance of expressing quadratic equation in this form.